So how do you allow the Safari extensions on an iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, on your iPad, open up the main settings app where at the bottom of the list we have the apps view. From those, you get to pick of course, every app installed on the iPad, but we want to find the Safari right there. Scroll down through the options again, and you can see we have the extensions menu. You get inside, and if you have some options or some installed extensions, you can tap on those and enable it, disable it, click on allow or click on allow in private browsing as well, right? So you can see plenty of options. If you need some more extensions, you can see some recommended below, which you can install with a click of a button right here, or at the bottom of the list entirely, we have the more extensions button. And this will basically just let you open up the App Store, but it's going to be like an App Store version only with the Safari extension apps. So you can browse those, see what you would need, and perhaps install those to your iPad Safari. But again, the point is the same, that if you want to allow it or disable some extensions, it's all found in here in the settings, Safari, and extensions. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe so you don't miss these quick tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the future videos.